Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to create an account in National Bank of Oman and complete your online banking sign up step by step so that you can start managing your money digitally in just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to come here on nbo.com, which is the official website for National Bank of Oman. Now once you come over here, you are going to see the bank tab over here on the top. So when you hover over to bank, you are going to see all of the accounts that you can open over here. Now among these accounts, you will have to select that particular account which you want to create here, which would be the savings account, I'm assuming, but you can also select any other accounts of your choice. Now whichever account you have selected over here, you just have to go through this particular detail that is given on this page. After that, when you are certain that you want to apply for this account, simply click on the option of apply now here on this page. Now you will have to start filling out these details. It includes providing your account type, which in our case is the savings account. After that, you need to enter your full name, then select your contact details. You need to provide your phone number and email address and submit this form. So once you do this, you are going to get a call from them, and then they are going to help you with the account creation process further. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.